Welcome to the Pfeiffer Design Studio. We are a high-end residential interior design company situated in the south of England. Our purpose-built studio allows us to collaborate as a team to deliver unique, practical and well-designed homes for our clients. Our amazing team of talented interior designers are at the beating heart of our company, and we are proud to say that we have a specialist in every aspect of interior architecture and design. Our studio was designed and built by us to act as a showcase for our design standards and provide an inspiring and collaborative space for our team. Sustainability is a big part of our ethos. We love to show our clients the latest advances in sustainable home technology, as well as incorporating antique and vintage pieces into our finished schemes. As a team, we can manage your entire project from concept and planning through technical design and on-site project coordination to the final installation and styling. We create unique, curated homes for our clients that are anything but ordinary.